Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Liverpool Airport, where the local time is approaching 10 minutes to 10. The cabin crew will shortly be leaving their seats to perform safety-related duties. However, we ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the signs have been switched off. Portable electronic devices for messaging calls or internet access may now be used. Please make sure you take all of your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pocket, underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers. Do take care when opening lockers in case anything falls out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and on behalf of the captain and the crew, we'd like to wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destination. Thank you and a very good morning.